I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Settings app. Then we're going to scroll down to General. Then we'll scroll down again to Language and Region. And here at the top, you're going to see I have already added Spanish to my languages, but let's assume we have it. Next, we're going to click Add Language. Here, you're going to select whichever language you want, and it will give you the option to either use that particular language that you are adding or use your previous language. If you use the previously selected language, meaning in this case English, it will look something like this after you select that. If you want to now use the new language, you'll tap and hold on the three lines on the right and drag that above the previous language, and it will give you this option to restart your phone and load that new language. I'm going to click cancel, and once it does, that will load your new language and you'll be all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.